Hi everyone, how's it going? If you're new, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I'm going to be doing a look with the Trendy in Tokyo palette from BH Cosmetics. This is the finished look. Go ahead and stay tuned if you want to see the colors I used. I'm also going to be doing swatches of everything in here, giving my thoughts about the palette and how everything worked out. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. Okay everybody, so today we are going to hop into it. This is the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette. This is what it looks like. So you got all of these really pretty colors in here. You know, I heard about BH Cosmetics probably around 2013, 2014, and I had ordered a palette from them before. I personally, at the time, did not like their formula. It was really hard to work with, didn't blend very easily, but I actually have tried this a couple days ago, and I have to say their formula has really changed since the last time I have used it. So I'm just gonna do an easy, quick eye look today with this. So if you have this palette, you can follow along with me. Or if you have similar colors, feel free to choose something, you know, kind of similar in another palette. But let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to go in with the Morphe eyelid primer today. So I just primed my eyes, and I wanted to say too, if you stick around at the end of the video, I will be doing swatches of everything in here, and I'll do my first impressions and what I think about the palette as well. Even though it's not really a first impression since I've used it before, but you know what I mean. So I've played around with the pinks before, and I think I want to do something different. So I'm gonna be taking a fluffy brush, and this is the Jeffree Star and Morphe collaboration, and this is the JS6. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Trendsetter, this like orangey color up here, and I'm gonna use that as almost like a transition shade on my brow bone. I think I will take the shade Blossom up here, this pink color, and I'm gonna put it a little bit on my brow bone as well. I'm not really liking how this shade is turning out. Now I'm going to take the shade Fashion, this red color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm using the Morphe M321 Bullet Crease brush. I'm gonna take the shade Sushi and this color right here and put that all over my lid. Then on an angled brush, I'm gonna take the shade Sake, and I'm gonna line my lower lash line. So I'm going to take the shade Kyoto down here, and I'm going to line the outer corner. Okay, I am going to go off camera and do the rest of my face and my eyeliner and mascara and all that, and then I'll come back and give my final thoughts and do some swatches of the rest of the colors for you guys. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I used for my lips, I kind of mixed a little bit of Jeffree Star, the shade Gemini, and Androgyny, the velour liquid lipsticks. I think that turned out really pretty. I also added to my eyes, I went and I lined the top with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal liquid liner, and this is in the shade Volume. And I thought it made the look a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed with my look today. I don't know if I'm just having one of those bad makeup days or I don't know, but my thoughts on this palette is the colors are beautiful. There's so many different bright, they're very pigmented, don't get me wrong. They're very pretty. There's just only like one, maybe two transition shades. I mean, I guess you can use this one. It all just depends on the look that you're going for. I think you can create a lot of really cool monochromatic looks with this. I just feel like when I do, or if I do go to use this again, I'm gonna have to dip into another palette for like transition shades or like a black or a brown, because you don't have any black, brown, white, you know, silver in here. It's just pretty much the colors of the rainbow, which is cool, don't get me wrong. And I also feel like I spent a lot of time blending out the eyeshadow. I think it turned out pretty good. I just wasn't happy that I was sitting there blending for a while, but I do see a difference from when I used this back in like 2013 or whatever, as opposed to now. I believe that their formula has changed. This is a lot better. And I'm going to link this palette in the description below and let you know how much it cost, and you know where I'll link BH Cosmetics website. So let's go and do some swatches. So we're gonna go into the top row. We're gonna do Blossom, Trendsetter, and Lively. So Blossom, Trendsetter, and Lively. That Lively color is really pretty. Next, we're gonna take the shades Fortune, Anime, and Fashion. So Fortune, Anime, and Fashion. I actually really like the anime color, this like pinky purple one. That one's really pretty. I've used that before. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Bamboo, Electric, and Emoji. So Bamboo, Electric, that's really pretty, and Emoji. Wow, look at that blue and the green, that's really pretty. I think the shade names are really cute too. I think they did a really good job with that. And just to let you know, the pink does stain. Next, we're gonna go in with Sushi, Wasabi, and Sake. All of my favorite things. So Sushi, Wasabi, and Sake. Ooh, the purple and yellow would be really pretty together. Next, we're gonna do Mount Fuji, Karaoke, and Tempura. So Mount Fuji, Karaoke, and Tempura. And the last shade we have is Kyoto. So there are all of the colors. Yeah, like I said, this eye look is growing on me, actually. At first I was a little like underwhelmed, a little disappointed. The colors really are pigmented. They're just, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more time blending everything out. And you know, maybe going back and forth to some other palettes that you might have that have some other shades, like more transition shades. If you want to do like a more smoked out look, you're going to need a black or a brown. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments or emojis down below. I'd really appreciate it. My dog's shaking in the background. But thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.